here at Death Valley National Park. This is our last stop. We're actually gonna go check out the Golden Canyon, just take a look real quick. It's 108 degrees, y'all. So we did just a couple of super easy hikes. They're kind of all together. This place is really big, so make sure you have a full tank of gas when you come. But here's our footage from our trip. So we walked up to Zabriskie Point. Y'all don't come at me if I'm pronouncing that wrong, I have no idea. That was really pretty views. Apparently you come here for sunrise and it's really nice. So this is the first trail we're gonna do, is the Salt Creek Trail. You can see the pupfish here, so this is the only place that they live. So let's go check them out. So this is actually a salt creek, so we are below sea level here, and this all used to be ocean back in the day. The pupfish only live for about a year, which is crazy, but it's crazy that this is saltwater. So this saltwater creek is what, like?
Several times the salinity.
Several times the salinity of the ocean water, which is insane. So that's, I guess, the only reason the pupfish.
Yeah, that's what the...
Yeah, they're the only ones that can live out here. So we only have a couple of hours here. Make sure I got it. So we only have a couple of hours here in Death Valley. This was just a little extra stop. We just had to drive a little bit further, 2 hours past Vegas, to come check this place out. So we just did the Salt Creek interpretive trail where the pupfish are, and we're gonna head back down past the visitor center and hit up a couple more spots. These are all super easy hikes. It's 100 degrees today. It's 1 o'clock. It's supposed to get hotter as the day goes on. So there's Artist Drive, Devil's Golf Course, Badwater, and then on our way out we'll hit up Dante's View. Officially at sea level, which is crazy, and we plan to go to the basin, which is below sea level and the lowest point, so let's do it. So we're at Badwater Basin. This is the lowest point. This is 282 feet below sea level, so that's pretty cool. The lowest point in the US. I don't know about anywhere else, but I think I read somewhere it was the lowest point in the United States, so it's pretty cool. At the mountains and the salt flats.
You did anything.
This is the Devil's Golf Course. This is all salt flats, but it doesn't get washed away like the other one we just left from. So the Badwater Basin, I think is what that one was called. Oh, it's just not recording. That's crazy. You're saying all this stuff. Yeah.
Go ahead.
Alright, so we are driving Artist Palette. It's a one-way street, 9 miles long, through these pretty mountains. All kinds of really cool colors out here. It's really pretty. We're in the Golden Canyon. It does actually look like it would be a really cool trail, but we're not prepared for that today. Today's day 9, so we've been hiking and doing stuff all day, and we don't have the water for out here to do a trail like this, but this is the little bit of shade that I've seen in this place. So part of this trail is at least shaded a little bit. It is breezy out here. Like there's wind, but the wind is hot.
Really hot wind.
Yeah, like really hot. It's like another planet out here. I definitely feel like we're on Mars. If you come check it out, remember, plenty of gas, plenty of water. You've got to stay hydrated out here. Alright guys, that was our trip to Death Valley and our whole trip. So I hope you guys check out all of our videos. We are headed back to Vegas for the day. One more day tomorrow to relax before we fly out. See you next time.
Oh shit. How about trip?